Ladies and gentlemen, and the stars have arrived, Mr. and Mrs. Agarwal. Thank you so much for coming again. So I have met them, and I think Abhi, there is this personal relationship that we have built as well. Other than all the events that I've hosted of you guys, B&W Developments have painted the city B&W. I get on the roads, I go anywhere, it's B&W. There is no way you can miss this brand. And congratulations. When we met a year ago for the first time, I knew where you guys were taking this especially when it comes to Lux, right? You're talking about luxury. You're asking people to dream big in Dubai. Ankur, tell us how you're feeling.
See, Pavitra, thank you so much for this opportunity again, and thank you for hosting us again. But if you remember, when we did the interview last time, we were talking about the values and the responsibilities and the things which we take on our shoulder and the things which we're gonna do in next 3 years. But like, I'm happy, and I can happily say that like whatever we have dreamed of, we have achieved a portion of that, and. What exactly BMW wants to do, we are actually doing the same thing. And I'm quite happy because people are taking us now very seriously. Our dream is to be the largest, biggest private developer of this country in next 4 or 5 years, and for that we are doing good. I think so. And but there's a road to go. There are a lot of things which we have to do. We have to deliver what we are promising of. Recently, we collaborated with Taj, and Taj has showed the trust in us. This is a big achievement for BMW, and you will see in the coming months, you will see more such collaborations with BMW, with the other big brands. So, in short, I can say that whatever we were thinking of, dreaming of, whatever we were planning of and telling of, I think we are actually making it true.
See, I think it all started off with a good sign. I'm not taking credit for it, but honestly, these guys have really worked hard. It wasn't an overnight success for them. I know their journey since the beginning of when they started in the Middle East to give people the opportunity to dream big and build their houses in the most luxurious way and with the best development. What else do they want?
See, Pavitra, actually, I would rather say that this city, this country has given me opportunity to build my dreams. And
Stop playing humble now, okay? You are really hardworking. Everybody knows that. And trust me, they host the best parties in town as well.
no, it's like that only. And it's a story everybody knows that this city has given me a lot of opportunity, and now it's our turn to pay the back to the society, which we are doing actually. And the main goal is that whomsoever is associated with you, your partners, your investors, and the buyers who have showed trust in you, you have to keep that trust always, and you have to perform. If you are really thinking of getting 90% marks in the exam, I'm the one who always looks to secure at least 100%, because
Too much of a perfectionist. Too much. But then you know what? Although you have given yourself that kind of a markup and that kind of a push and pressure, it really worked. It worked for the entire team, and the team is fantastic. That's his beautiful wife. Who dressed him up? You? Or was this his decision?
Act-
Huh? You only know?
This is by chance. If you are saying we are matching each other, but this is by chance.
Really? अच्छा ये पूरा जो काम है ये किसने किया है कौन सा डिजाइनर है बता दीजिए
no, so he's a friend of mine, Varoin. He always used to design suits for me.
Okay.
Again, being introduced by Vivek, he was doing work for more Bollywood celebrities, Ranveer also.
Of course, I
So,
can see it, yeah.
so Varoin has this speciality of doing something extraordinary.
Looking fabulous, and I think that's what we wanted to see from both of you. You've stolen the spotlight, thank you. But looking forward to see you guys. God bless you. Congratulations.